have undertaken a signage program and road marking program to ensure that when persons enter the city of Montego Bay, they know where and how to exit and how to enter properly. That will also reduce the inconveniences associated with getting lost within the space and also creating traffic, because I've seen persons breaking the one way and driving in the opposite direction. So it tells us that we need to put more signage in place, and that will also help to improve the traffic situation that we have. We are now looking across the city space for more metered parking areas, and we are also looking at the possibility of multi-story car parks. That has been a long discussion, and we are moving closer to a conclusion where that is concerned. And once that is available, we'll provide more updates as to where these multi-story car parks will be and the new mechanisms that we could put in place, including the mechanical multi-story car parks in sections of Montego Bay, so that we can also pedestrianize some areas to improve urban walkability as well as urban mobility.